Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Audi A3 2009 model. Have a look what happened to the dashboard. I'm going to start the car. You can see in right hand side ABS light on. When I move in the car, traction light will come on. I'll show you. You can see it's just came. When I move the car, the traction light on, ABS light on. This is the problem from the customer. So customer went to the one garage, they couldn't figure up exactly what's the problem. Then customer went to the another garage and basically they suggested to change him both side wheel bearing. So after that he thought something not right because they said both side wheel bearing rear. So customer has a doubt, he turned up to me. Now I'm going to do the diagnostic. Again, see, when I stop, the traction control light disappeared. Anyway, like this problem, very difficult to comment anything. I'm going with the computer and find out what's going on under ABS. You can see this is the problem at the moment. Vehicle has 06279 wheel speed sensor ABS control module, signal problem, intermittent, and supply voltage 30 and ABS speed sensor rear left G46. Right, what I'm going to do, I know the faulty code now. I'm going to the under electronic brake system, data menu. I'm going to check the live data, especially rear left, this one. I'm going to move the car backward and forward. Right, you also front right and left change, rear right change, but rear left didn't work. Okay, like this problem, I'm assuming that's a sensor or could be wiring problem, but however, once I open the wheel, I'll come back to you. This is the rear jacking point, strongest place. Right, I'm going to leave the jack like that, and after that I'm going to open these caps and break the nut before I use the gun. They tight very hard. See, people using the gun, we struggle to remove, then we have to use the gun. Press in and do it. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, okay, we are not going to install again because people using the gun, that's why we always use the breaker bar and break the nut. But however, we managed to remove the lock nut. Right, if your wheel not come out, this is the method we need to remove. Dung, that's it. You can see this is the wheel speed sensor wire. Basically, I can't see any visual damage. This is the ABS sensor. It's holding with one screw. Yeah, however, once I remove everything, I'll come back to you. Before you remove, apply with WD-40. Right, leave it another 5 minutes, then you can start the job. When you work underneath, take your all safety actions. I put the axle stand next to the jack. If something happen to the jack, axle stand will hold the vehicle. Then we can go underneath and we can work easily. This is 5 mil Allen head. Basically, sometime dust went inside and closed the hole. What we had to do, lined up the Allen socket or whatever you are using like that. Then after that, need to give couple of hammer like this. This is my hammer. Right, it's in now and do it very gently. Right, it's spinning now. Now you don't want any more ratchet, you can do by hand. That's why I asked you to spray WD-40 and leave it 10-15 minutes. After that, job will be easy. Right, use something like this tool, just insert inside like this. Just insert inside, there is a lip, then after that pull the thing, it will come out. Right, now we have a clear access to the sensor. We'll see what's going on for the sensor now. Right, okay, this is the ABS sensor. I can't see visual any damage. Yeah, sometime internal, never know. This is the new sensor. This is the new sensor. Compare with the old one and new one, exactly the same. Yeah, pin same. Then next, good practice, little bit apply grease around this area and install. When you're going to remove next time, you are not facing like this problem. And the back side also well. Right, then install. Now you know how to install. After that, I'm going to install this screw. Just do the hand tight, don't do the over tight. Then after that, I'm going to fix the wheel. Once I fix everything, I'll come back to you. Right, we done the sensor and we didn't install this security nut key. It's bit worn thread, then I left it as it is. Right, next step, I'm going to start as it is. I didn't reset the light, just start the car. You can see still ABS light on there. Right, no worries. I'm going to road test and have a look what's going on without resetting the computer. Still, yes, you can see now the all figures coming up, but still my dashboard light on. You can see still dashboard light on. Okay, I'm going to the road test. I feeling once I exceed 20 miles per hour, this light will reset. We'll see what's going on. Go to the road, still my old lights on. Right, I'm right 10 miles per hour, now 20 miles per hour. Have a look the dashboard. What do you think? All light disappeared. Yeah, right, we'll see what's the computer reading now. Yeah, all nice and moving. Yeah, right, okay, it's mean we done the good job and we done the success job. Now I'm going to park somewhere. Like this problem, once you identify, you don't want to computer for the reset, but however, I'm going to reset from the computer also well, but actually I don't want. You can see the dashboard, it's nice and clear dashboard. So I'm going to stop somewhere and I'm going to check with the computer. Right. Okay. I'm going to the computer. I feeling that faulty code still there because it's need to car switch off maybe 20 circles, 30 circles, switch off start, switch off start. It's gradually white off from the ECU, but however, this scenario I'm going to do by computer. It's a bit easy and much quicker. Yeah, see all problems still there. Right, exit from here, clear faulty codes. Yeah, exit and try to read the faulty code again. Still faulty code there. Right, I'm going to the continue again, scan all. Right, now clear all faulty codes. Yeah, it's a successful. Continue and check any faulty code for the. Yeah, you can see now it's gone, because sometime it won't allowed to reset because this is the snap on system. Sometimes it's not allowed to delete on the ABS system, like the electronic braking system. Then what we had to do, we had to go to the main menu and we had to reset the whole light, then it will white off from the ECU. Again, one more time, I'm going to switch off and start the car. Have a look the dashboard. Yeah, all disappeared. Nice and clean dashboard. Thanks for watching. If you have a like this problem, first of all, you need to find out with the computer what's going on. After that, check the live data. Then you can do the repair like that. Could be it's a wiring problem, could be sensor problem. Definitely no need to do the both side as the before garage said. Yeah, we learn something new every day, sometime everywhere scammers, but most good in the field. Some couple of people's. Anyway, I'll leave it with you. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, you know what to do. Comment below. I'll come back to you. Also, if you need to join with us, our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, I'll add the link below. You can click that link and you can join with us. So, see you with the next video.